Nicely caged. I know you grasped for straws.
Mama, what did you do?
Stay down. I'll get the fucker. This is a vampire. What do you think's gonna happen when he comes out and sees a giant cross? No, I don't either. But if you see this in front of everybody, there's not gonna be much to do now, is there? Come on, make yourself useful.
Look, kids. The youngest history buffs we've had at the DG.
They wouldn't stay home for months. And they're a vampire.
Well, hello there, man Norris.
Evening, Adele. Quite a turnout. Good thing Myra made extra ambrosia.
And he don't know like that. He's with the uniforms. Lord knows why God insisted on wearing his uniform.
Vampire over here?
In the kitchen, man. True blood.
Adele, do you think we're taking the right precautions?
I think so.
To make sure everybody's safe? Ordinarily, I wouldn't pay no mind, but there's your own folks here.
Sterling, you don't have anything to be frightened of. Mr. Thompson is a perfect gentleman. Frankly, I am more worried about what he might do to you.